Are you seeing the NPP IAL64 DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. Before we begin our NPP IAL64 troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the NPP IAL6410, the NPP Image Processing Arithmetic Library. It provides unmanaged routines for accelerated image math, facilitating the visual data link for localized graphics manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for NPP IAL64 DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the NPP IAL64 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of NPP IAL64 DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to NPP IAL64 and system libraries. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter NPP IAL64 critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.